to complete our 18 candles. Tawagin po natin the mother of the debutant, Maria Carlita Cardines.
Salamat kay Lord sa mga blessings na lahat ng mga kailangan, hindi lang kailangan, pati gusto na ibibigay ni Daddy. Salamat. Study hard and alam kong may pangarap ka, ituloy mo lang. So, nandyan ang suporta ni Mami.
Nakakasilo kaya? Nakakasilo yung ano ko nyo. Day of days ka na! Pinag-timo na. Siya tangating ako na sa pinag-timo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our debutant, Angela!
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I've been looking under rocks and breaking locks, just trying to find you. I've been like a maniac, insomniac, 5 steps behind you. Tell them other girls they can hit the exit check, please. Cause I finally found a girl of my dreams. Much more than a Grammy Award, that's how much you mean to me. You could be my it girl, baby, you're the shit girl. Loving you could be a crime. Crazy how we did, girl. This is it, girl, give me 25 to life. I just wanna rock all night long and put you in the middle of my spotlight. You could be my it girl, you're my biggest hit, girl. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud, like. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud, like. Let me play it loud. You can't help but turn them heads, not get them dead. Dropping like flies around you. If I get your body close, not letting go. Hoping you're about to tell them other guys they could lose your number, you're done. They don't get another shot cause you're love drunk, like a TV show playing reruns. Every chance I get, I'ma turn you on. Girl, baby, you're the shit, girl. Loving you could be a crime. Crazy how we did, girl. This is it, girl. Give me 25 to life. Hey, I just wanna ride all night long and put you in the middle of my spot. Hey, you be my it, girl. You're my biggest hit, girl. Let me play it loud. Hey, let me play it loud. Let me play it loud. Let me play it loud.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat kasi nakapunta po kayo. Thank you po kay God kasi binigyan niya po ako ng mga mamabait, understanding na parents, mapagmahal. Binibigay nila lahat ng gusto ko, ng kailangan ko. Then, thank you sa mga kaklase ko. Lalong-lalo na sa G, sa effort niyong gumawa ng sayaw. Love you. Sa mga classmates ko nung high school na hindi nakalimot, salamat. Sa mga relatives ko from Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Manila, salamat po sa effort na pagpunta niyo po. And sa mga kabarangay ko po sa Santa Cruz, salamat po sa mga relatives ko. Sa mga pinsan kong nag-effort kumanta, salamat. Effort, alright. Yun, thank you po sa lahat. And wish ko po sana makatapos po ako on time and makapasa po ng board exam. So, thank you po.